Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to decrease music volume in Filmora. So a lot of time guys, you will have this video that you have recorded or a music file that you have on your PC and you want to add it to your project with a really high pitch or volume. So how you can reduce or decrease the volume, that's what I'm going to show you today in this tutorial. So first of all, go ahead and open Wondershare for Filmora, and then this window will be opened for us. So as always, the most important thing to check if you are connected and choose the aspect ratio that is compatible with your audio file or video. Now, after you've done with these steps, click on your project. And now what I'm going to do is drag, for example, video file, or I can drag an audio file. So it's the same thing. Let's make some space between them. So now, as you can see, there is nothing selected between them. So let's select first of all the video file. Now, as you can see here, if I clicked on it, you will see that the video file is actually has two components. The first one, which is the video, which is at the top, and the second thing, which is the audio, which is in the bottom. Here, you can increase the volume, as you can see, or decrease from here. So if I want to decrease it, I can just, for example, make it like that, or I don't know how much you want to decrease it. And if you want to make it more specific, you can go to here to audio in the settings over here. And as you can see, here is the volume. So you can play with it. So you can choose whatever settings will fit you the best. So for example, you can make it something like that, something like so, something like that, and so go on. And the same thing goes for like normal or audio files or music files. So you can just play with it like so, or just go here and play with this, or just write whatever number you'd like here. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually uh, decrease your music volume in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.